Millionaire Blueprint, 15 Proven Steps to Financial Triumph. Embarking on the path to millionaire status requires a strategic roadmap. Join us as we delve into the secrets of financial success through 15 crucial steps. From setting clear goals to prioritizing health and well-being, each step is a milestone on your journey to wealth creation. Ready to transform your financial future? Let's dive in. 1. Set clear goals. Have you ever embarked on a journey without a destination in mind? Becoming a millionaire is no different. The first step is setting clear, achievable goals that act as your financial roadmap. Visualize where you want to be in the short and long term. Are you saving for a dream home, retirement, or a business venture? Your goals are the stars guiding you through the financial galaxy. They provide direction, purpose, and motivation. Write down your goals, making them tangible and specific. Whether it's a specific savings amount or a targeted investment return, clarity is key. With a roadmap in hand, you're better equipped to make financial decisions that align with your aspirations. Our aspirations should reach for greatness, beyond what anyone can fathom. By setting ambitious goals, we avoid wasting our time and strive for excellence. Our purpose should be significant, embodying meaning and sensibility. Remember, we shape our destiny through our thoughts and habits. The grander our vision, the more profound our impact on the path we carve it toward success. Grab a fresh sheet of paper and jot down all the goals for the next 12 months you want to achieve. Now, imagine you have just 24 hours and can only choose one goal to pursue. That chosen goal is your true focus, the one you should strive for with all your efforts. 2. Create a budget. Let's talk about the budget, your financial compass. Think of it as your spending plan, a tool that empowers you to allocate your income intentionally. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about understanding where your money goes and ensuring it aligns with your goals. Your income is a river flowing through various channels. A budget helps you direct this flow efficiently. Start by listing your income sources and categorize your expenses. This way, you'll identify areas where you can save and redirect funds towards your goals. Regularly revisit and adjust your budget as circumstances change, keeping your financial ship sailing smoothly. Budgeting is more complex than it may seem initially. It plays a crucial role in our success, emphasizing the need to direct our financial flow away from unnecessary materialistic pursuits. It's essential to list down our genuine needs, distinguishing them from wasteful expenses. Allocating funds in our budget for self-improvement, investing in quality books, and enrolling in courses that shape our future is vital. 3. Save and invest wisely. Now, let's dive into the power of saving and investing wisely. Imagine your money as seeds. Planting them strategically allows them to grow into a fruitful financial garden over time. Start early and watch the magic of compounding work in your favor. Every dollar saved or invested is a building block for your financial future. Explore investment options like stocks, mutual funds, or retirement accounts. Educate yourself on the basics, and don't be afraid to seek guidance. Consistency is key. Like watering a plant, regular contributions nurture your wealth. Embrace the journey of financial growth and watch your money tree flourish. Each year, prices go up, and the money we save loses value. But when we invest, our money has the chance to grow, helping us tackle the effects of inflation. By giving each dollar a purpose and letting them work together through compounding, you can achieve remarkable results. As Albert Einstein famously said, the compounding effect is like the eighth wonder of the world. So, if you're serious about becoming a millionaire, investing your money is key. 4. Live below your means. Imagine your income as a sturdy foundation for a house. To build substantial wealth, it's essential to construct wisely. Living below your means doesn't mean sacrificing happiness. It's about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Your income is like a powerful wind at your back. Living below your means is akin to adjusting your sails to harness this wind effectively. Opt for value over extravagance, prioritize needs over wants, and embrace a minimalist mindset. By doing so, you're not only conserving resources but also accumulating the windfall to invest in your future. Many successful millionaires are known to live below their means, adopting a lifestyle that doesn't necessarily reflect their financial status. This deliberate choice to live modestly contributes significantly to their journey toward becoming millionaires. Embracing a frugal lifestyle becomes a habit, and every step taken in this direction brings them closer to achieving their millionaire goal. 5. Educate yourself continuously. In the journey to millionaire status, knowledge is your most potent weapon. Imagine your mind as a treasure chest, and every piece of financial wisdom is a precious gem. Keep adding to this chest by committing to continuous learning about personal finance, investments, and market trends. The financial landscape is ever evolving, and being well-informed gives you a strategic advantage. Attend workshops, read books, listen to podcasts, and follow financial experts. Equip yourself with the tools to make informed decisions. As your knowledge grows, so does your ability to navigate the complex world of finance and make choices that propel you toward your millionaire goals. The most successful people are avid learners. Just like we hit the gym for our muscles, our minds also need regular exercise. Reading daily, gaining new ideas, and analyzing information are ways to feed our minds. This continuous learning process. 6. Maximize income streams. Consider your income as a river with multiple tributaries. The more streams you have, the more robust the flow. Diversify your income sources by exploring various opportunities, whether through side hustles, investments, or entrepreneurial ventures. Your primary job is just one branch of your income river. Create additional streams by leveraging your skills, talents, or passions. This might involve freelancing, starting a side business, or investing in income-generating assets. Multiple streams act as a financial safety net and accelerate your journey to millionaire status. Embrace the entrepreneurial spirit and watch your income river widen and deepen. Creating passive income is crucial in today's world. To establish multiple income streams, it's essential to think outside the box. Consider starting a business, building an online presence, selling products, and adopting an entrepreneurial mindset. Diversifying your income sources can lead to financial stability and success. 7. Invest strategically. Think of investing as planting seeds that grow into mighty trees. To become a millionaire, you must strategically sow your financial seeds. Diversify your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Your investment portfolio is a flourishing garden. Nurture it by regularly reviewing and adjusting your investments based on your financial goals and market conditions. Consider seeking advice from financial professionals to ensure your portfolio aligns with your risk tolerance and objectives. Over time, your garden will yield a bountiful harvest, propelling you closer to your millionaire aspirations. 8. Prioritize financial discipline. Envision financial discipline as the compass guiding your journey. To accumulate wealth, establish and adhere to a budget. Track your expenses, cut unnecessary costs, and allocate funds thoughtfully. Discipline creates a solid financial foundation, allowing you to weather storms and stay on course. Your financial discipline is a sturdy ship sailing through unpredictable waters. It helps you navigate challenges and seize opportunities. Avoid impulsive decisions and stay committed to your long-term goals. Over time, this steadfast discipline becomes a key factor in your wealth accumulation journey. 9. Network and build relationships. Consider your network as a powerful wind that propels your ship forward. Cultivate relationships with mentors, peers, and potential collaborators. Networking opens doors to opportunities, ideas, and valuable insights that can significantly impact your financial journey. Each connection is a sail catching the wind, accelerating your progress. Attend networking events, engage in industry-related activities, and leverage social platforms. Build a reputation as someone trustworthy and knowledgeable. Your network not only provides support but can also introduce you to avenues for career growth, investments, and business ventures, fast-tracking your millionaire aspirations. 10. Continuous learning and skill development. Envision yourself as a craftsman, honing your skills to perfection. To thrive financially, commit to a journey of continuous learning. Stay informed about industry trends, technological advancements, and evolving market demands. Invest time and resources in developing skills that set you apart in your field. Your skills are tools in a toolbox, and each new proficiency is a powerful instrument. Attend workshops, pursue certifications, and never shy away from acquiring knowledge. This constant evolution not only enhances your employability, but positions you as a sought-after expert. This, in turn, translates into increased income potential and wealth accumulation. 11. Entrepreneurial Mindset. Imagine your mind as fertile soil, ready to nurture innovative ideas. Cultivate an entrepreneurial mindset by embracing risk and viewing challenges as opportunities. Start small ventures, explore business ideas, and be open to calculated risks. Your entrepreneurial mindset is the foundation of a thriving business empire. Whether through launching a startup or identifying gaps in the market, this mindset fosters creativity and resilience. Entrepreneurs often find unconventional paths to wealth. Embrace the unknown and let your entrepreneurial spirit guide you towards financial success. 12. Optimize tax strategies. Think of taxes as a puzzle, and each piece you strategically place saves you money. Understanding and optimizing your tax strategies is crucial on the path to millionaire status. Familiarize yourself with tax incentives, deductions, and credits applicable to your situation. Your tax strategy is a shield, protecting your wealth from unnecessary depletion. Seek advice from tax professionals who can help navigate the intricate landscape of tax laws. Legally minimizing your tax liability allows you to retain more of your earnings, contributing significantly to your overall financial growth. 13. Multiple income streams. Imagine your financial stability as a table with multiple legs. The more legs it has, the more robust it becomes. Strive to diversify your income streams by exploring various opportunities. This could involve investments, side businesses, or passive income sources. Each income stream is a tributary flowing into your financial river. By diversifying, you not only safeguard yourself against economic fluctuations, but also amplify your earning potential. Invest in stocks, real estate, or other ventures that align with your financial goals. The synergy of these streams can lead to a significant cumulative impact on your wealth. 14. Protect your assets. Consider your assets as the treasures of your financial kingdom. Implement strategies to safeguard them against potential risks, legal challenges, or unforeseen circumstances. Whether through insurance, legal structures, or prudent risk management, protecting your assets ensures the longevity and stability of your wealth-building journey. Remember, a secure foundation is paramount on the path to becoming a millionaire. 15. Prioritize health and well-being. Think of your body as the vehicle on this journey to success. Neglecting its maintenance can lead to breakdowns. Prioritize your health and well-being as a fundamental component of wealth creation. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and sufficient rest contribute to sustained focus and productivity. Your well-being is the cornerstone of your success pyramid. A healthy body and mind enable you to tackle challenges with vigor and resilience. Invest time in self-care to ensure you're operating at your optimal level. The dividends of good health extend beyond personal well-being. They positively impact your professional and financial pursuits. Outro. Congratulations on completing this transformative guide to millionaire success. Your journey to financial greatness begins now. To stay updated with more empowering